Today we are talking about the XLR Boost by Forest River. All of these units are fifth wheels or travel trailers, and they're all toy haulers. Let's check them out. All of these units come with aluminum siding and a really cool party deck. Some people call it that, some people call it a patio. That can be on the back or the side of the unit. There are 4 models available with garages as big as 14 feet 6 inches. Huge. On the XLR, all models are under 9,500 pounds dry weight, and they're comparable to like the Cherokee Toy Hauler, the Catalina Trailblazer, the Puma Unleashed, or the Puma XLE. If you want more information about the XLR Boost, go to our website, rvwholesalers.com, or give us a call today. Talk to you soon.